Pretty windy out today. We had to tarp up the sleds here. As quick as the winter came, as much snow as we got, that's how fast she left. Actually really windy out here today. Obviously that's not where the sleds are gonna sit, but I just, we got a little bit of rain and that really knocked out the snow. So I had to throw the tarps over there. We gotta treat the gas, we gotta get them summerized still. But with that said, we're done. I mean, I'm in shorts here. Winter's over, officially. Despite that, we still do have a full day of riding here that I have not released yet, so this video will be the last ride that we had of the season. So let's cut to that footage now, actually. We'll catch up with you at the end of the video and kind of explain some of the spring, summer, fall plans that we got here for DipstickTV. What's it doing?
It's like not idling down. Or like, I don't know. Something's definitely fucked up though. Not too hot. No.
It's just like, it's not idling down. It doesn't ever want to stop trying to pull a little bit.
Oh, see it's cracked? It's sitting in there sideways if you look at it. It's supposed to be straight. These clutch took a shit. See, that one's broke too.
Holy fuck, yeah, I see that.
Two of them are junk. So it's binding instead of opening freely. It's better to catch it now than before it detonated.
Oh yeah, grenaded out.
Yeah, it blew everything apart.
Damn.
Yeah, I was gonna say that puts a damper on things. Oh, we can ride back. You guys can do your loop, and is what it is.
I got a couple more sleds at home I could run and get. If you want to ride, then we can go hit open flats. I got a 700 edge.
I mean, yeah, I would ride it.
Just I hate to see you guys drive this far for.
It'll be easier just to drive your truck down here and slide it on there.
Oh yeah, we could do that. You want to do that?
The road's right there.
Yeah, I mean, I'd hate to have that blow apart in there.
Yeah, because it's going to cost you way more.
Yeah.
She rips?
She rips. It's like a brand new sled.
You got a little more power than the 400 or 500?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're good to go. What kind of can you got on that thing?
GGB.
GGB. Mountain can? She sounds loud. Same wood on that one, huh?
No, he's got a different one.
Oh, really? They sound really similar. No hesitation. only because he's got a can. That's why Benny's doesn't do it. A little bit different world than you're used to, huh?
Yeah.
What's the first? Stiff is the first impressions for everybody.
No hookup compared to
That longer track is way different.
then it just feels like you don't want to go nowhere compared to
It sinks right down.
ride it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the low engagement clutch immediately surprised me. I was like, oh, I'm already moving.
Yep.
Hardly touched it. Oh, yeah, we're off. Hey, the front end's really soft on it.
That is so cool.
You like that one?
Yeah. When you finally get it up there, you know, you just feel so much taller that it like starts coming out of the snow even. Oh.
Talking about the yard sale.
Where? Oh yeah. Yeah. What happened?
That was my other truck that was going by, so I was flipping them off.
Car was a bitch, huh?
You get it on video?
Yeah, I think so.
I was following him, all of a sudden it's just yard sale. Like, what the fuck? On a straightaway?
On the shoulder of the road. There you go. Uh-oh, Dirtsky. Don't steal his camera time. So just a casual ride to end up the winter. Well, I think the whole group knew it was going to be the last group ride that we were going to get in. The forecast was starting to show the 60-degree weather. 2 days ago, I think, was 75 degrees here, so that completely wiped out the snow, the little bit that we had left. But the ditches were already pretty much unrideable by that time. Just as quick as it was over, everyone kind of dealt with stuff in the end. I was the last one riding. Craig and I were the last two riding. We did go to Craig's hearing for the track. We'll get into that in the next video. It's kind of a lot of information I'm going to be kind of moving into the next video. I just kind of wanted to brush over some stuff as we end up today's video. Had the hearing for the track. A couple components in Dirtski's clutch were cracked, so he had to limp that back. Cody sold his sled. Tommy dealt with something super tragic. We'll talk about that in the next video too. Don't even want to touch on that right now. The winter was kind of over even before the snow was fully melted. So spring, summer, fall stuff. As you know, if you've supported this channel for quite some time, we have the CR125 that is getting rebuilt. You're probably saying, Kyle, that thing's been sitting there for 4 years. No, you're right. It has. But my buddy Dave has actually taken the initiative of knocking it out for some tattoo work. So I had a community tab going on the channel. Pretty hilarious outcome. Actually, less people thought I was a tattoo artist than most people seem to think I'm a lineman, power line worker, maybe a construction foreman. I mean, there's twice as many votes for registered nurse as opposed to what I actually really am. I thought that was pretty good, pretty funny. That's that. So we will be getting this thing again. We'll talk about this in future videos. I'll have the 125. Dirtski has a dirt bike, and Tommy's looking into getting a quad. So we'll definitely have some spring, summer, fall content coming on the Dipstick channel. Might just take a little bit for us all to get set up, but definitely just wanted to get this video out to you guys, kind of catch you up on what's going on, you know, kind of why you haven't seen a video in the last couple of weeks. I know it's going to take a little bit of time for us to get set up for spring, summer, fall, and just didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So that's that, guys. I definitely appreciate the support you guys have shown over the winter. Just kind of work with us here for the first month or two and getting everything set up. You might not see a whole lot for videos, but I appreciate you guys greatly. Just know that. With that said, just kind of keep an eye open for the videos as they release. Turn on those notifications. Keep her tuned for the next one.
Perfect.